Picture this. You're in the middle of a breakout trade. You're watching NVIDIA rocket past resistance, and then suddenly your screen freezes. Your charts lag, your order hesitates, and by the time everything refreshes, the move is over. Sound familiar? If you're still trading on that old laptop from Walmart you bought in 2019, this video may literally save your trading account. Because today, I'm breaking down the absolute best laptop CPUs for trading in 2026. And trust me, the difference between a champion processor and a mediocre one can be the difference between catching that 10% move or watching it slip through your fingers. Let's start with something most traders completely ignore, but really shouldn't: the benchmark score of your processor. Your processor is also known as your CPU. Think of it this way. When you're trading, you're not just looking at one chart. You've got multiple data streams flowing in real time. Level 2 data, options chains, news feeds, time and sales, price alerts. How many indicators do you got going? Maybe you got 5 or 10 in one chart. What's going on is like trying to stream 10 Netflix movies simultaneously on your laptop, while at the same time your neighbor's kid is also hogging the Wi-Fi. Except instead of a buffering movie costing you entertainment time, a lagging trading platform could cost you thousands of dollars in missed opportunities. Your CPU is the brain of your operation, and this thing called the benchmark score tells you exactly how powerful that brain is. A higher score means faster processing, faster computing, which translates into smoother charts, quicker order execution, and the ability to run multiple trading platforms without your laptop having a complete meltdown when the volatility spikes. And trust me, when the market gets crazy, you want every millisecond advantage you can get. Now, here's how we can tell if your current laptop is helping you trade or it's sabotaging your processor. The first thing we need to do is figure out what processor is actually running in that laptop.
So here is how you figure out your computer's benchmark score. The very first step is that we need to know exactly what processor is in your computer. And that's very simple to do. So in your Windows-based computer, click the Start button and start typing device specifications. You will see it will auto-populate. Just go ahead and click device specifications. A box will come up. It says System and About. Just make sure it's scrolled all the way to the top. And here you will see information about your computer. So what we want to do is look for our processor. And in this case, I have the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X3D 16-core processor at 4.3 gigahertz. Jot that down. That is very important piece here because knowing exactly what processor we have will tell us exactly what our benchmark score is. Our database of processors should cover just about all manufacturers. So once you've written that down, go ahead and click the link that is in the description under this video. The link is easytradingcomputers.net/CPU. Once you click that link, you're going to get to this page right here. Go ahead and scroll down. Click the Windows icon right underneath the Windows icon, Get Started. That'll take you to this page. And underneath this video is a box, and it says Search CPU. In that box, you want to start typing the processor you just wrote down. AMD Ryzen 9 9950. And look, here is my processor right here. X3D. I click to fill in the processor. Then I'll click Next Step. And on the very next page, it's giving me my benchmark score, 70,598. And that is how you find your computer's benchmark score.
If your benchmark score is below 25,000, you're basically trading with one hand tied behind your back. Anything under 20,000, and you might as well be using the calculator from the 80s. But don't worry, I've tested dozens of processors specifically for trading scenarios, and I'm about to share my top 3 absolute champions for 2026. Before we dive into these powerhouses though, if you want my complete guide to choosing the perfect trading laptop, including the exact specs you need for different trading styles, the hidden costs most people miss, and my personal recommendations, just click the link in the description. It's completely free, and I guarantee you it'll save you from making expensive mistakes. Now let's talk about the absolute kings of laptop trading performance. Starting with my bronze medal winner, the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX. This beast scores an impressive 57,000 on benchmark tests. Yes, I said 57,000, which puts it in serious territory for professional trading. This processor handles multiple trading platforms like a champ. Whether you're running TradingView, Thinkorswim, and TOS simultaneously or all of them at the same time, this chip won't break a sweat. The 275HX also runs remarkably cool, which means your laptop won't sound like a jet engine during market hours. And there's nothing worse than trying to focus on a trade while your fan is screaming louder than Jim Cramer during a flash crash. Moving up to the silver medal, we have the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX with a benchmark score that will make your jaw drop, 58,000. I've personally tested this under serious trading loads, multiple charts, real-time options flows, and live data, and it handled everything smoothly without breaking a sweat. The 285HX also includes enhanced AI acceleration, which sounds fancy, but actually helps with predictive text and pattern recognition in some of the newer trading software. Now here is where things get really exciting. For the absolute, undisputed heavyweight champion of laptop trading processors, the AMD Ryzen 9 9955HX is a monster. And this thing delivers a benchmark score that literally will change how you trade. 58,444 points of pure processing power. This isn't just fast, it's trading nirvana in silicon form. Now, I've been testing the 9955HX for several months now, and the difference is night and day compared to older processors. This chip can handle everything you throw at it. Simultaneous backtesting on multiple time frames, real-time scanning of the entire NASDAQ 100, streaming multiple news feeds while running complex algos, and it does this all without breaking a sweat. The single-core performance is exceptional, which means lightning-fast order execution, and the multi-core design means you can run every trading tool imaginable without any lag. Now, you might be wondering about Intel versus AMD for trading. And honestly, both companies have completely stepped up their game massively for 2026. But the Ryzen 9 9955HX just edges out the competition when it comes to sustained performance under heavy trading loads. Speaking of professional laptop setups, we just launched the Odyssey 18-inch Easy laptop specifically designed for traders, and it features that AMD Ryzen 9 9955HX we just discussed. And as I said, the 9955HX is the grand champion. This machine is built from the ground up for trading with optimized cooling, multiple high-speed ports for external monitors, and a display that's perfect for chart analysis. It comes with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card, which is optimized for AI trading. And right now, we're offering it at a very special price for a very limited time. Go check out the link in the description and check out that machine right now. Don't let inferior hardware hold back your trading success in 2026. Upgrade to one of these processors and experience what it feels like to actually trade with technology that enhances your performance instead of limiting it. If you want to dive deeper into the perfect laptop setup for trading, grab my complete guide to laptops for traders using that link below. And as I said, check out that laptop that's on sale. Thanks for watching. My name is Eddie Z, and you definitely want to watch this video next. I'll talk more about laptops. May the trend be with you.